Chop and rinse your Knappa cabbage. Rinse it well. Chop it so it's bite-sized as you prefer. Then pour over 1 cup of salt, mix it through and put it in a sealed container to soak for 1.5 hours to 2 hours while you're preparing the vegetables. So these are our basic kimchi ingredients: garlic, Knappa cabbage, carrot. We'll be using 3 tablespoons of rice flour and a cup of water. These are peeled carrots, washed spring onions, all ready to be prepared. Put your 3 tablespoons of rice flour into your water in a small pan. Stir it around and put the fire on low. Keep stirring, leaving the fire on low till you get a gluey consistency. If it gets too gluey, add a bit of water so that. Now prepare your sauce. Grate up or chop in a chopper your 1 onion, ginger and garlic. Chop to this level is fine. It doesn't have to be too mushy. Prepare your batons of spring onions and carrots. Add to your spring onions and carrots a tablespoon of red chilli powder and a tablespoon of Kashmiri chilli powder. You might need to add a little bit more Kashmiri to give it a nice red colour, but you can do that later on when you've mixed it all together. Now mix these ingredients together, then add your rice porridge mixture to it. Stir very, very well, coating all the rice porridge with the vegetables. Keep stirring till everything's combined. Now this is what it should look like after you've stirred in the rice porridge to the vegetables. If your mixture isn't this colour, add a little bit more Kashmiri chilli powder. Now go to your salted Knappa cabbage and give it a good rinse under cold water tap. Rinse several times and then strain in a colander. Once it's strained, squeeze it with your hands to get as much water out of it as you can. Give all the leaves a good squeeze. It should look like this. The salt effect will have shriveled the cabbage a bit, but it'll still feel soft and firm. Now add your carrots and spring onion mixture to your cabbage and start stirring all this in well. It should look like this once all stirred in. Add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of fish sauce. Store in a sealed container in room temperature for the first day. After the first day, you can put it in the fridge, and after 4 days it should have fermented and you'll start to taste real sour kimchi flavours. Kimchi can be kept for 4 days, 5 days, 2-3 weeks to a month. I mean, usually it's eaten before then, but it does last a very long time. In China, people keep it in tubs for months and years. Enjoy your kimchi with any sorts of food as a side salad.
And also criticism of Moscow. The World Health Organization last week was urging Russia not to rush to push through a new vaccine, but to follow the rules.